Hey folks, tonight I thought I'd cook up this hot-looking piece of Australian Angus I found at the supermarket. Doesn't this remind you of the cutting board your grandmother used back in the day? It's not that cutting board, but it'll do just fine. Now for the main event of the Get in My Belly show. If I could just get these damn tongs to actually grip this meat properly. Voila! Our entree for tonight, the freshest Australian Angus your supermarket has to offer. Just looking at it has got my hunger levels skyrocketing. First things first, gotta hit that meat with a little Salt Bae action. Starting to look like a starry night sky. Hore hore. The trick is to sprinkle the salt sensually. Let's see if we can Salt Bae the other side without any trouble. Crap, there goes Grandma's cutting board. Whatever, it's not like anyone noticed that. Nope, totally noticeable. But moving on. So, where were we? Ah yes, Salt Baeing. I forgot to mention this earlier, but don't forget to pepper both sides as well. Come on, we not basic here. However, this meat is a little bit too big for my peasant-sized frying pan, so we're gonna cut it. That's about right. And let's get our mandatory close-up of blue flames. Next, heat the pan up to a thermographic bright orange, which here is just going to look black. Next, we're going to oil the pan, a little tararinku. We're going to be getting the oil all hot and bothered, as well as ourselves. Oops, messed up again and forgot to capture the garlic going in, but whatever. It's important to go easy on the heat here. In cooking, getting too hot and steamy can make your food taste like although there is a time and place to just be a man and go for it. Now, it's time to take this baby all the way. Oh yeah. This is that I'll have what she's having moment. Oops, gotta make sure we service both sides. Don't want to play favorites. That's looking like one fully satisfied piece of meat. Oh, I'm a big fan of twerking close-ups. Sneak a little peek. And as we near the final act, let's slap that garlic back on there. My hunger index is definitely rising with the smell of the garlic. And for the grand finale, our secret sauce. I'll share the recipe for the sauce some other time. Whew! Now there's your Kodak moment. As the heat of the moment comes to an end, Angus lies back in ecstasy. Angus A and Angus B curl up for some well-deserved cuddling. Oh, why, hello there. Didn't even notice this had become a threesome. I should really make this available royalty-free just to share it with the world. And for the final touch, a bonus drizzle of secret sauce. Oh, my appetite is racing faster than Usain Bolt. Finally, time to dig in. By the way, do you cut your steak from the right or left side? I started cutting from the right because of the camera, but maybe left was better. Well, this is kinda awkward. Okay, take two. For God's sake, someone please share a link to a good steak knife in the comment section. Screw the camera, we're going left. Adaptability is an important part of surviving in this ever-changing world. now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Thought I ate it there, didn't you? Till next time, folks.